We've had plenty of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 information, including an incredible new feature, so as usual I've got plenty to share with you about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and we've got a new camera sample, an incredible new feature revealed, new renders from Evan Blass and Ice Universe. We've got confirmation of key specs including the battery capacity and the display. Before we get started though, please like the video if you're looking forward to the Samsung Unpacked event. Let me know in the comments what phone you're watching this video on. So many of you probably saw the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 leak from Evan Blass last week, and he gave us a 360 view of what he says the Note 20 is gonna look like. It was originally on his Patreon only, but he's now tweeted it to the whole of his Twitter. Since then he's also provided another 360-degree render, but this time of the Note 20 Ultra, which is currently only available on his Patreon, but it does show the same device we've been seeing in so many of the renders, with so many sources citing the same design of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. We can be pretty certain that the design is correct. On that note, we also had a tweet from Ice Universe earlier today, and he was saying using EvLeaks renders he's perfected his design of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. He posted 3 separate images of the Note 20 Ultra along with an image showcasing all 3 of his designs. Again, it shows what we already knew for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra: a full screen design, a smaller punch hole selfie camera, trim bezels all round and curves at both edges. It does seem as though focus is also being put on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. When it comes to the production, as Ross Young has tweeted to say that the Note 20 Ultra looks to have taken a healthy early lead in volume over the standard Note 20. Given that the Note 20 Ultra is the most premium, this isn't really a surprise for those who prefer the standard Note 20. However, the device has passed through the FCC certification, revealing a larger battery capacity over its predecessor, as it's now going to be between 4170 and 4300 mAh. The certification also confirms that 5G connectivity and a 6.53-inch flat display, which is a bump up from its predecessor's 6.3. Now the most exciting news we've had for a while, and that's the camera sample of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra along with the reveal of a much wanted new feature. Now the new video comes courtesy of Jimmy S Promo, who shared with us plenty of leaks for the Note 20 Ultra. He starts off by giving us a comparison between the Note 20 Ultra and the S20 Ultra. While they are similar, the Note 20 Ultra has replaced the timer flight sensor for a laser sensor. We no longer have the 100x space zoom branding, and this is of course because Samsung removed it, and the Note 20 Ultra also does look to have a slimmer module. He then shows us plenty of screen recording where he's taken a photo on the Note 20, and we can see that the max zoom is now 50 times, and while we already knew this, it is nice to have the confirmation. We then get a look in the video settings where he confirms 4K video at 60 frames a second, and we can also see just above this that there's an option for 8K video at 24 frames per second. We get a glimpse at the Pro video settings of the Note 20, and you can see it allows you to adjust the audio capture between the microphones, as well as some accessibility options from Bixby that allow it to describe the scene or read text from the camera. Now finally he highlights the nearby share function on the Galaxy Note 20. Some of you may have heard of this feature as it's present in the Play Services beta, and it's pretty much Android's answer to AirDrop. While many complain about Apple taking features from Android, AirDrop is a much loved feature, and I'm glad Google have finally decided to implement the feature. Allows you to share documents or media with any other Android device that's near you. This doesn't mean that you can spam every Android device near you, but it's useful for sending files between your own devices. With the launch event already confirmed by Samsung as being the 5th of August, it's not long until Samsung unveiled this to the world. For those interested in the Galaxy Note 20 or the Note 20 Ultra, we're gonna run through the full specs of both of the phones to help you guys decide which one is right for you. Leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. I am Arjun, this is Digital Outside. I will catch you in the next one.